Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new double RV garage home on almost an acre for the second time. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, so this is 4060 Arrowhead Drive, and this is actually the second time I've been out here. I was out here in March and it was just getting built, so there wasn't a lot to see. So we're out here checking it out in a completed version, listed for $1,050,000. Sits on almost an acre of land on the south side of town. It's kind of a unique setup if you saw the old video. So this was basically on two lots, and they are now married together. There's this little side access that goes down to the lower level, and that's all part of this property. Lots of things you can do with it. You can build casita, guest home, mega RV garages, whatever you want. It's 0.84 of an acre, so 36,500 square feet. Nice paver driveway. Real nice stonework in the front. Looks like all the landscaping just went in, as the palm trees are still wrapped. 8-foot entrance door. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just completed. Still actually doing a couple little things. 2,124 square feet, sits on a huge 36,590 square foot double lot. So there's tons and tons of room in the backyard, and then a whole nother lot below this. So big, wide open living area, all nice big tile. Last time I was here, basically nothing was done, and it turned out really, really nice. 4-inch baseboard, troweled down walls and ceiling, can lights everywhere. Real nice kitchen with an island. Good looking piece of granite. So this is a split floor plan. You got a couple bedrooms off the front and the master in the rear here. Nice kitchen. Tile backsplash. This is one of those that has the really nice walk-in pantry we'll check out in a second. Upgraded cabinets, stainless appliances. So all the cabinets are upgraded with the soft touch close. So here is the pantry. It's big. It's a walk-in, wrap around. Lots of space. All right. Let's check out the master. So the master is nice, has tall ceilings, can lights, slider out to the backyard, nice big ceiling fan. All tile throughout the whole house, no carpet. So you have the master bath, dual sinks, nice granite. Big mirror, has a solar tube light. So the walk-in closet wraps around back into the laundry and hallway. You have your walk-in shower. So something I don't really care for is the light is connected to the fan on the same switch. I hate that. So anyways, here's the walk-in shower, real nice. Dual heads, real nice tile work. Water closet has its own door, little linen closet. See there's still some blue tape stuff around for them to fix up, little knick-knack stuff. Then you have the walk-in closet, and this just goes around into an indoor laundry area, and then back out into the hallway. So you have your garage door access, another little closet. So back at the front, got a little coat closet. You have your guest bath. Cool tile shower in here. So they also tied the fan and the light to the same switch on this one too. So yeah, bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. All 8-foot 4-hinged interior doors in the whole house. Of course, the 4-inch baseboard. So you have bedroom number 3, also at the front of the house on the other side. Just kind of a mirror of the other one. All right, so we're back in the master hall into the garage setup. Real nice garage. You have your 2-car side that's 22 feet deep. Has a 8-foot door, 19 feet wide at the opening. Epoxy floors. This house does have a central vac system as well. So you also have a huge 60-foot RV garage. Also has a little 29-foot bay as well. 14-foot door. Double wide at 20 feet wide at the front door, both insulated. So this one has 2 mini split AC units, full hookups including a dump and a 50 amp, and a bathroom in the rear, drive-through bay. Here's your central vac hookup. They also enclose the water heater, soft water loop, and everything in this double door closet. So here's your little 3rd bathroom off the garage. Probably be used for pool access, as I'm sure somebody will put a pool in here. All right, so we're off the back patio, off the living area. Covered patio, has some lights. Looks like it's pre-wired for sound. So this is what makes this property pretty unique, is the size of the lot. So you still have a huge backyard that was the original lot. So there's plenty of room back here to put huge pool in, whatever you want to do. So I mean, it's big enough to even put a casita back here if you wanted to, along with a big pool, and make this a really, really nice backyard. And then down below, all of this is all part of the same property. It used to be a flag lot, but they were bought and married together into one big parcel. So you can put some monster garages down there. You can do whatever you want. There's a lot of space down there. It's all graded, ready to go. Wasn't really graded out last time I was here, but it looks much bigger now. So here's our little drive access from the side. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the little revisit of the house over here on Arrowhead Drive. Again, this one is now complete. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video. Still listed at $1,050,000. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.